all, this is Aboorvan, grade 6 from Chennai. Today I am going to talk about 20 unique facts about satellite. First, satellites travel at 18,000 miles per hour. That means in a given day, satellites can travel the entire circumference of the earth about 14 times. Second, a satellite gets better fuel economy than a Prius. Third, if we put all of the data that our satellites collect in a year on DVDs, it would form a stack nearly 4 times the height of the Empire State Building. Fourth, Digital Globe has 4 satellites around the world at any given moment, ready to take instant pictures of world events. Fifth, in addition to being used for defense and intelligence, satellite imagery has been innovative uses in the environmental, economic, entertainment and humanitarian sectors. Sixth, Sputnik 1 was about the size of a beach ball and took about 98 minutes to orbit the Earth. 7. Its launch is marked every year by International Space Week from October 4 to 10 as celebration of science and technology and their contribution to the betterment of the human condition like we have now. 8. In 16th century, the word satellite meant an attendant on a person of importance. 9. In the 17th century, it came to be used for a small planet revolving around a larger one. 10th. In 2009, 2 communication satellites from the US and Russia collided. This is the only time 2 man-made satellites have collided by accident. 11. More than 20 satellites make up the GPS, enabling precise positions to be measured at any time. 12. A city in Texas renamed itself to Dish, Texas in order to receive the free Dish satellite service for 10 years. 13. Polar satellites orbits pass over the poles so scan the whole Earth as it rotates beneath them. 14. Geostationary satellites orbit the equator at the speed of Earth's rotation so seem not to move. 15. In 2012, satellite data showed that there were twice as many emperor penguins in Antarctica than was previously thought. 16. NASA has 2 satellites chasing each other around the Earth, tracking the distance between them to measure gravitational anomalies. Their nicknames are Tom and Jerry. 17. Satellites are programmed to avoid meteorites so they don't get destroyed. Of over 8,000 satellites orbiting the Earth, only one has ever been destroyed by a meteorite. 18. The first American spy satellites literally dropped their film from space in a film bucket. That was then scooped up in a mid-air by a plane. 19. Older generation spy satellites predated any form of digital imaging by decades. They literally exposed film and dropped it back to Earth in small re-entry pods. 20. When the Skylab satellite crashed in Australia in 1979, Australia issued the US a fine for littering. NASA didn't pay the fine. So, thank you all for listening to me. Have a good day.